Flamethrower 101 here, and I just wanted to show you guys my opinions on all my Nerf blasters. I only have 4 Nerf blasters, but this is still going to make a pretty good video. And I just want to say, last video, if you saw it, it was the Elite XD Nerf Strong Arm review. Make sure to check that out. I was actually filming in New York City. I was in a hotel, so I didn't get to be back in my room. But here I am. I'm back. So, the one I'm going to start with is the first gun I opened. The old things. Pretty sure this is actually the first gun I ever made. Maverick Rev 6. So, pump action, 1 tactical rail on the cocking mechanism. I don't like that. I just don't. Because how are you going to cock it? You can't get it like this. That's hard to do. Like, I already have it cocked back, so the spring's already filled up, so it's easy, but it's hard to do it with just this or this, so I don't like that. And it is a 6-shooter, but it doesn't shoot far at all, because it was the first gun they ever made, so you can't expect a lot. I would not use this in a war unless it was a last resort. Second gun I ever opened is the Rough Cut 2x4. So this is a shotgun. Holds 8 darts, shoots 2 at a time, so it's 4 shots with 2 bullets each. Has 1 big tactical rail at the top, has a sling point here, and it has a sling point here. And I do like this gun. It fires fast, it has slam fire. The slam fire shotgun's pretty cool. It's really easy to cock. I would use this in a war, it's a good secondary. Very good. The third gun I ever opened was the Elite Retaliator. So, this gun has a tactical rail on the cocking mechanism. I would never use that. It has a hole for a dart in the bottom of the handle, sling point there. I'm pretty sure that's the only one. So it comes with a 12 dart clip. That's good. It also comes with the Retaliator stock, the Retaliator assault grip, and the Retaliator barrel. So normally, I'd just use all of them together. But if I had to choose just one attachment to put on the gun at a time, it would be the barrel extension, because if I just take off the barrel for a second, there's no point in using the stock. You'd rather just use the normal gun, because you'd be doing like this. Look at my arm. There's no point in just using the stock. That's my opinion, but like I said, this is an opinion of my things. But with the barrel, you get a tactical rail on the bottom and on the top, and you get a flip-up sight. And it's just a lot more convenient to do this than to do this. So, that's the third gun I opened. The last gun I got, the most recent one I got, is the Elite XD Strong Arm. So this gun is awesome. It's probably my favorite Nerf gun so far. It's a 6-shooter. It has slam fire. The tactical rail is here. I like that better. It has a little sight there. It's light. It's small. Has 2 pretty good sling points. And this gun is awesome. I would use this in a war. And so, well, thank you all for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you all next time.